PowerStore, empowering solar professionals with trusted products and dependable service nationwide. At PowerStore, 96% of orders ship out within 24 hours. We are your trusted long-term partner for solar and energy storage. For over 15 years, we've been a leading wholesale distributor serving professional installers across the US and Latin America. We stock everything you need for complete solar and storage installs, from Tier 1 solar panels and batteries to inverters, racking, and all the balance of system components that keep your projects running smoothly. With 96% of orders shipped the same day, PowerStore keeps your jobs on schedule and your crews in the field. Our NABCEP-certified technical team provides expert system design and support you can count on. Installers nationwide rely on PowerStore for tested, first-class products, fast fulfillment, and dealer-focused service that helps you grow your business with confidence. Every solar install starts with trusted products, reliable service, and a partner who gets the job done right. At PowerStore, we're more than a distributor. We're your logistics and supply partner in solar success.